pneumatic shockwave therapy. You can see this is Biotronix pneumatic shockwave therapy. This is extracorporeal shockwave therapy and radial shockwave therapy, and the power will be the 10 bar of the same. And you can see the probe. This is the probe, this is the display, and this is the accessory case. This is air compression based pneumatic shockwave. You can see these are the different heads for the different areas, and this is the gel, this is the main code, and you will get the carry case of the for the accessories, and these are the tools to open the probe and all. And this is the box. You will be getting the machine in the same. This is the solid box to get the same protected from the damage and all. You can see the same, and this is the accessory box, and this is the device. Now I will tell you how to operate the same. If you go to that section, there is a switch on button. You have to press the same, and you can see there are two filters in the same. So our device is having two filters with two fans for the cooling, and usually the device has one filter and one fan. So we have the dual fan and dual filter system. Now I switch on the device like this. You will see the screen is coming, machine is getting switched on. The compression inside the machine is getting ready. You have to press the screen and you will get the screen like this. You can see there are 10 treatments area for elbow, knee, shoulder, ED for the erectile dysfunctioning, and all this hand and lumbar region and foot and ankle, and this is for the slimming for fat accumulation. So if I have to select the same from the elbow, I have to touch the same. You can see there are pre-selection 2500 already all the parameters are fitted in the same. If you have to use the same for the treatment of elbow, you can start the same and use this parameter. But if you want to customize the treatment according to the doctor need, you can adjust these parameters accordingly. This is 3 bar right now. You can increase or decrease the same to up to 10 bar. You can see you can go up to 10 bar, and you can go minimum up to 0.5 bar. So 0.5, 0.1, 0.2, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, like you can go up to 10 bar. So but it previously in the program it was saved as 3 bar. So you can vary the same or you can select the same according to the frequency. You can increase or decrease the same to from 1 to you can go up to 21. And when I will start the same will give us 2500 shots. Currently the shots is 0 because I have started the same. When I start the same, with every shots it will count the timer to, and up to 2500 it will go up to 2500. Now I am showing you how to operate the same. I have connected the probe like this, and this is the probe. Now press the start button. You can see the start button has been pressed, and this is the operation button in the probe. Like I have to press the same. You can see I'm getting this. You can see the number of shots coming, and if I increase the energy to I'm decreasing the frequency. You see decreasing the frequency. If I want to switch off the treatment in between, I have to press this. If I press the same, the counter will start again and it will go up to 25. Frequency I am decreasing. If I decrease the frequency, it will decrease. If I back on the same, and if I want to use the same for the knee or shoulder, I have to select the same. You can see the frequencies, it hertz here, and the energy is 4 bar for the shoulder, and pre-selection shots are 3500. So according to the treatment area, these already saved parameters are according to the treatment given, but you can also customize the same according to your need, according to the doctor's prescription. Thank you.